Okay, yeah, hello guys. Prince again here for Crinovated. So I have my Beats Solo 3 here and been using it for a while. But over time I noticed the leather encasing for the ear puff start coming out. So I tried using my nails to push it in, but it's not working. So I just decided to try my card to push it back in, which I tried a bit, which works. So I'm going to push in the remaining part of the leather casing in with my credit card. So just put it on the edge here, then you just push in. So you continue that way till you push in the whole thing. So you do that, then again you do this, then you move over, do the same thing. It's a bit tricky here, so I'm gonna push this right in, then this part is what is left. So same thing, then it's almost in. Must have it all in, then it's just the last part. I think it's almost in. Then voila. So the whole thing is in. So this is just a quick fix. So once you use your card to push in, you have the whole thing all good and clear. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.